Welcome, today in front of me Oppo A54s, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I'll do this with the help of the Decibel Meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the Decibel Meter will reduce the highest volume of our device speaker here, so the value on this display then will change. So let's start. So as can you see, our Oppo device reached 112.9 decibels. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.